Hi guys, I've got a real cutie for you today. This is just the most adorable little cosmetic purse ever. I properly love this. I think it is just so cute. So it's Fendi, Verni leather, so patent leather. And it's a sort of off-white. It isn't white and it isn't cream. So we're going to call it off-white with gold hardware. And it's just beautiful. So you've got your Fendi logo. Show you the base as well while we're at it. And the condition is excellent throughout. It is excellent exterior, excellent interior, excellent hardware. It's just fantastic. I'll show you inside in a second. I'll just show you what it comes with. So we've got the Fendi dust bag. We've got Fendi product card. And then we've also got this little Fendi envelope, which contains the care code. The Fendi envelope, by the way, is actually, has come unstuck, but I don't think that's going to particularly alter the enjoyment of the purse. So let's see if we can show you the zip pull. Will that focus? Not really. Anyway, you've got Fendi on there, little zip top, and inside, pale lining. Obviously, it's a, I don't know what the fabric's called, but it's a wipeable fabric. It's a cosmetic purse, so you could have this as for your makeup, you could have it with toiletries in there, you could use it as a purse or as a little picture bag, to be honest. But it's got that fabric that is very wipeable. Fendi badge there. We've got that one that side, and the hologram is in the corner. If I can pull it out to show you. Okay, let's turn that around so you can see that label as well. Okay, so like I said, the condition is excellent throughout. It's just the most beautiful little Fendi purse. Okay, so there's a link to this on our website. If you go to my comments for this video, there's a link to take you straight to this. Whilst you're on the website, sign up to the newsletter and we'll send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. Now my advice is, as always, even if this isn't going to be your first purchase, go now and get your discount code. What tends to happen is people wait till the dream bag comes on, or the one that they want. Then they go, then they sign up to the newsletter, then they take it to checkout, then they enter the discount code. That will probably only take them, what's it take, a minute to do that? It takes less than a minute probably, doesn't it? So less than a minute. But in that time, someone else comes in who's already got their discount code, takes it to checkout, already got a discount code, adds it, buys it, it's gone. I've only got one of everything. We're a pre-owned luxury store, there's only one. So get your discount code now, and then when something comes in that you want, you can be really quick and speedy and you won't miss out. There'll be no disappointment for you. Somebody else, some other poor loser who's signing up, they'll be disappointed, but you won't be because you'll have got it. Okay, so sign up for the newsletter. What else do I need to tell you? On the website, we've got lots of other pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets, bag straps, all that kind of thing. If there is something that you are looking for, if there is a bag that is on your wish list and you want it, email me. Email me. I have a wish list, a request list here at Armcandy HQ of everyone that has a particular thing they're looking for, so that I can email them immediately it comes in. I can email them that it's here, so that you get sort of like a first refusal almost. It's not quite a first refusal, but you get like a heads up. There you are. You get a heads up before everyone else does that the bag's in store. So email me. If you go to the website, there is a contact page. You can just fill out the email, fill out the thing there, tell me what it is you want, and I'll put you on my request list. Okay. I'm going to put a link below to our Instagram. So if you're interested in all things Armcandy HQ, come and join us on Instagram. And thank you to all of our subscribers. Thank you for your likes, your comments, your support. Genuinely, we really do appreciate it. It genuinely does make a difference to our business having you on board. So thank you. If you are not yet a subscriber to the channel, then please subscribe, sign up, set your alert up so that we will send you a little reminder that we've got videos coming out. We have Armcandy coming in all the time. And you don't want to miss out. So sign up to the channel and have a fabulous rest of the day.